Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make rich gourd dal. It's a very healthy and tasty recipe. I have taken quarter cup of moong dal, wash it well and add it to a pan. To this add water sufficient enough for it to get cooked. I am adding around 2 cups of water. To this quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Adding cumin seeds gives a nice flavor to the dal. I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of oil. Adding oil at this stage helps the dal to get cooked faster. Mix everything well and let it remain till the dal gets half cooked. Reduce the heat to medium and then let it cook till it is half done. Now the dal is half cooked. I have taken 250 grams of rich gourd and I peeled off the skin and cut them into small size pieces. I am adding this vegetable to the dal now. Mix it well. I am adding around quarter cup of water at this stage so that the vegetable and the dal gets cooked well. Mix well and let it get cooked. In the meantime, take a mixer jar and to this add 2 tablespoons of coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 green chili. Add little water and grind it to a fine paste and have it ready. The vegetable and dal mixture is now cooked well. Let's add the ground coconut paste to this now. Add salt to taste. Mix well and let it get cooked for just 2 to 3 minutes till the raw smell of coconut goes off. Do not cook this for a long time after adding coconut. Adding coconut and cumin seeds gives nice flavor to this dal. I prefer to have this consistency of dal. If you prefer to have a thicker consistency, you can reduce the quantity of water you add while boiling the vegetable. It's been 2 minutes now. The dal has become even more thicker and it's been cooked well. The raw smell has completely gone. It's time to add the tempering. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil. To this add little mustard seeds urad dal. When it splutters, add curry leaves and a pinch of asafoetida. It's all done. Add the temperings to the mixture. Mix well and then you can turn off the heat. If you prefer, you can add couple of red chilies, split red chilies while tempering. It gives a nice flavor. That's it, our tasty rich gourd dal is now ready. You can either have it as a side dish or you can add this dal directly to the rice and mix it with a teaspoon of ghee and it tastes yum. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. See you all again in my next video with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.